see. Who ate the ball? This is about 3 little pigs. But what is that about?
Toto right over the back with a rake just because she says he gets in her garden and chases her nasty old cat.
Dorothy, honey, we'll have to wait. We're busy.
But he doesn't do it every day, just once or twice a week. Oh, when he can't catch her old cat anyways, and now she says he's gonna get the share of it.
Come on, you two, step it up.
We're coming. Gotta get them hogs in.
What am I gonna do about Miss Gulch?
Now look at Dorothy, you ease your head about Miss Gulch. Think you didn't have any brains at all.
I have so got brains.
Listen, kid, you gonna let that old Gulch heifer try and buffalo you? She ain't nothing to be afraid of. Got a little courage, that's all.
With all this jabber rapping, when there's work to be done, go feed the hogs before they worry themselves into anemia.
Yes'm.
And you know what Miss Gulch said she was gonna do to Toto?
Dorothy, stop imagining things. You always worry yourself into a fret over nothing. Just help us out for today, and find a place where we won't get into any trouble.
Some place where there isn't any trouble. Do you suppose there is such a place, Toto? Well, there must be. It is a place you can get to by boat or train. It's far, far away, behind the moon and beyond the rain.
How would it be if she kept him tied up? He's a real gentle dog with gentle people.
that is.
Well, that's for the sheriff to decide. Here's an order allowing me to take him.
Now, Dorothy dear, we can't go against the law. I'm afraid poor Toto will have to go.
I won't let you take him. When you go away, you are biting myself.
Dorothy!
Annie, Uncle Henry, don't let him take Toto. Don't let her take him, please.
Put him in the basket, Henry.
No, Uncle Henry. Please. No, please don't.
We can't be against the law, Dorothy.
Oh, you are nothing but a wicked old witch.
Elmira Gulch, just because you own half the county does not mean you have the right to run the rest of us. For 23 years, I've been wanting to tell you what I thought of you. And now, well, being a Christian woman, I can't say it.
Oh, Toto, darling. Oh, you came back. Oh, Toto. Oh, I'm so glad. We'll be coming back for you any minute. We've got to get away. We've got to run away. Quick.
Leaving so soon? Wait, don't tell me. You are running away?
How did you guess?
Professor Marvel never guesses. He knows. Now, why are you running away?
Nobody cares about me at home. They wouldn't even miss me.
Now, I wouldn't be so sure.
No, they wouldn't, honestly. Annie Ann was even going to let them kill Toto for biting Miss Gulch.
Here, take a seat right here. Ha!
My, it's beautiful.
Yes, it is. Now gaze into the crystal ball with me. I see a woman. She's wearing a dress.
Is it a plaid dress?
Yes, it is. And her face is careworn.
Yes, that's Aunt Em.
Her name is Emily.
That's right. Well, what's she doing?
Well, I can't quite see why she's crying.
Oh.
Now she's entering a little room.
Oh, are there poppies on the wallpaper?
Yes, there are poppies on the wallpaper, and I can't quite see. She's grabbing her heart. She's dropping down on the bed.
Oh, no.
That's all. The crystal's gone dark.
You don't suppose she could really be safe, do you? Oh, I've got to get home right away. Come on, Toto. Goodbye, Professor Marvel, and thanks a lot.
Poor little kid. No, wait. Poor little kid. I hope she gets home all right.
Honk, get them horses loose. Hickory, check on the pigs. Clouds that color can only mean one thing.
Henry, it's a twister. It's just spotted down the way and it's headed our way.